Today you're going to make your very own Google slide, and it's going to be about one thing, a dog. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is a Google slide presentation. Let me walk you through it. Over here is a small picture of what your Google slide looks like. So this is what we call a slide. Everything on this little white rectangle is what's going to be shown when you are finished with it. If you have more than one slide, they'll pop up over here as well. So I'll just demonstrate for you. Do you see that? But we're going to work on this first one. We don't need the second one. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put your cursor right here in front of that letter A, hold down your shift button and then your arrow key to the right and go all the way across. And once it's blue, you can start typing and you're going to type your name. So I'm going to go ahead and type my name right there. So pause and go add your name. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to find an image of a dog. So to do that, I've already put a placeholder. That means a place where you can put your picture. So click right there where it says replace image, and then you're going to choose search the web. Click that. And then you're going to notice right over here it says search in Google Images. So you're going to come over here and click, and then just type DOG and then press enter. If you don't press enter, nothing happens. So press enter and you'll see some images of dogs pop up, and then you can choose which one you want. You just scroll right down, and whenever you find your image, you click on it and then you press the blue button down at the bottom that says replace. When you do that, you'll see that your image has gone right into that square. So pause the video and do that now. Now you're going to write one sentence about your dog. So put your cursor right here where it says the W. And like we did before, I want you to hold down your shift button. And why don't we use the down arrow key this time? When you use the down arrow key, you just have to press it one time and it highlights that whole row. And now you can write a sentence about that dog or how you feel about dogs. I happen to love dogs, so I'm just going to do a simple sentence. I love dogs, exclamation point. And I was able to get the capital I by pressing shift and then the I key. And I was able to get the exclamation point by holding down shift and the number 1 key. And now your presentation is complete. That's it. You did it. You added your name, you added an image of a dog, and you added one sentence. So when you're done, you're going to turn this into Google Classroom or just raise your hand and ask your teacher for your help. And then you're going to be able to go to your websites. I'll catch you next time.